Morning, everybody. Have a seat. But as the dust has settled, there can be no doubt that this law is working. It has changed and in some cases saved American lives. It set this country on a smarter, stronger course. And today, after more than 50 votes in Congress to repeal or weaken this law, after a presidential election based in part on preserving or repealing this law, after multiple challenges to this law before the Supreme Court, the Affordable Care Act is here to stay. This morning, the court upheld a critical part of this law, the part that's made it easier for Americans to afford health insurance regardless of where you live. If the partisan challenge to this law had succeeded, millions of Americans would have had thousands of dollars worth of tax credits taken from them.
Morning, everyone. The problem with Obamacare is still fundamentally the same. The law is broken. It's raising costs for American families. It's raising costs for small businesses. And it's just fundamentally broken. And we're going to continue our efforts to do everything we can to put the American people back in charge of their own health care and not the federal government.
Today's ruling is a tragedy for the rule of law in this country. In a 6-3 decision, the Supreme Court has twisted and somersaulted on traditional rules of statutory interpretation and essentially allowed the IRS to rewrite the very statute that Congress enacted.
Make no mistake about this. Today's decision has monumental significance. It means that the Affordable Care Act is not just the law of the land, it will remain the law of the land.
We are thankful today that the courts upheld this and realized that affordable care is not just for, I don't know, it's for everybody, and it should be. It would have impacted over 6 million people had they not agreed to this, but now we don't have to worry about this anymore.